Hey everyone, today we're diving into a popular travel question: Skyscanner versus Google Flights. Which platform is better for finding cheap flights in 2025? Whether you're a budget traveler or a frequent flyer, let's compare these two side by side to help you choose the right one for your next trip. First, what are these platforms? Skyscanner. Skyscanner is a travel search engine that compares flight prices from hundreds of airlines and booking sites. It helps you find the cheapest dates, routes, and even multi-city trips. You can book through third-party sites or directly with airlines. Google Flights. Google Flights is a powerful flight search tool by Google. It pulls data directly from airlines and booking engines to show flight options instantly. It's known for its clean interface, advanced filters, and real-time price tracking. Second, pros and cons. Skyscanner Pros. Great for exploring cheapest days and flexible destinations. Finds deals across budget and full-service airlines. Mobile app and desktop versions are easy to use. Multi-city and everywhere search options. Skyscanner Cons. Doesn't always show real-time prices, sometimes redirected to outdated deals. Booking is through third-party sites, not directly on Skyscanner. Google Flights Pros. Real-time pricing directly from airlines, smart filters and flight insights, price history, tips, carbon emissions, alerts for price drops and suggestions for alternative airports. Book directly with the airline, no third-party redirects. Google Flights. Cons. Limited options for some budget carriers and international flights. Doesn't offer full vacation packages, like hotels or cars bundled with flights. Now the question, which one should you use? Use Skyscanner if you're looking for flexible search options, including cheapest month, multi-city itineraries, and want to compare multiple budget and international sites in one go. Use Google Flights if you prefer real-time prices, clean filters, and booking directly with airlines while tracking fare changes and using Google's ecosystem. If this guide helped you make a decision, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.